Okay, good afternoon. Lesson natin for today is all about formula for factoring sum of cubes or differences of cubes. Okay, pag sinabi natin cubes, what do you mean by cubes? They are variables raised to the third power. For example, dito, no? Why the term sum of cubes? Kasi meron tayong dalawang cubes, no? A raised to the third power plus B raised to the third power. Okay, why sum? Because of the operation, no? Addition. Okay, meron mga respective formula, no? One is the sum of cubes. The other one is itong tinatawag nating differences of cubes. Okay, if we see an expression, for example, this one, no? This should be subtraction, no? A squared minus B squared, A cube minus B cube is equal to quantity A minus B times quantity A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay, we got here a case of two cubes. What operation is involved? Subtraction. Kaya ang tawag ay differences of cubes. Okay, very important itong mga formulang to. To make it easy, no, the factoring of sum of cubes or differences of cube, very important that we memorize, no, this formula. Kasi pagka memorize na natin, madali na lang tayo mag-factor, no. Ano yung next step? If we memorize the formula, ang next step na lang natin is we will simply substitute, no, yung given values dun sa given problem, no, related to sum of cubes and differences of cubes. Bigay tayo ng example, no. Let's say ang problem natin is all about sum of cubes. And let's say the given problem is z to the cube plus a cube. Okay, again, following the formula, which represent A, yung letter Z, no? So, kung isa-substitute natin yung values ng A and B, here ang value ng A is Z, di ba? Dito naman ang value ng B is A. Okay? So, if we substitute that, eto, no? Di ba? A plus B, what is the value of A? Z. So, it will be Z plus, ano naman yung value ng B natin? A plus A. Multiplied by quantity. Again, we look at the value of A. Ang value ng A natin ay Z. So, magiging Z squared. Okay, minus, what is the value again of A? Z. Z and A, no? Pwede natin pag-iwalayan, no? AZ. Okay. Then the value of B squared. Ano yung value ng B squared natin? The value is A. So this will be A squared. As easy as that, no? We remember the formula. The next easy thing is we simply substitute, no? Yung values present dun sa given expression, no, that we need to solve or factor. So, ganun kadali, no? Again, no, balikan natin yung mga formula. Formula for sum of cubes. A cube plus B cube is equal to quantity A plus B multiplied with quantity A squared minus AB plus B squared. Kapag ka naman differences of cube, the operation involved is subtraction. A cube minus B cube is equal to quantity A minus B multiplied by quantity A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay, madali lang mag-solve ng sum of cubes and differences of cubes, no? Again, what is the first important thing that we need to do? dapat memorize natin yung formula. Okay? Tingnan natin, no? Almost the same yung formula. Kapag sum of cubes, what happened? Ito positive, no? Kapag naman differences of cubes, ito negative. Pag sum of cubes, ito negative. And dito naman sa differences of cubes, ito positive. Very important that we remember and take note of such differences, no, in the formula. Okay? That would be all. Thank you.